Hey guys, hey, welcome back. I am here again with another video. Teach myself how to day trade and everything like that. Today we're going to go through possible profit losses. So, let's join that journey. I am unfortunately having some computer issues, so we're going to have to do it from our phone today. Okay? So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So we are here. Of course, I will have to zoom in a lot more. Zooming in should be a lot easier over here since I just have to do that. And let's see. We are at the day it looked like. Let me see. Move this. You get out my way. Let's go to the 1 hour. Make sure we're at the 1 hour because that's where we like to start. Alrighty. Keep you up, like right there. All right. So here we are, start at the 1 hour. First thing is first, we always check the news. Okay, I don't care if I'm on a phone or a laptop, we always check the news first. Okay, just let y'all know it is 9:10 a.m. where I am, so let's do this. All right, fact of the day. Bitcoin fell 5.35% in the last day, now at 99,000 below the key 100,000 level. A daily close under this mark may trigger a drop in the 90 to 95 range by week's end. Okay. 27 minutes ago. MicroStrategy proposes 20.5 million share offering to fund Bitcoin purchases. An hour ago, Bitcoin likely to consolidate before recovery. Key reasons explained. Okay. Another hour ago, Bitcoin price bounces 5%, cancels DeepSeek stocks dive as 102K returns. Okay. If y'all hear jiggling in the background, it's my cat and her new collar with a bell on it. Okay. So ignore that. But yes, let's see. So this gives us a view of the last 5 hours. It looked like it's just started 12 minutes ago. Okay, it started at 9, of course. 9. What? Okay. So yeah, here we are. Looking at the last 3 hours, that's clearly a fucking, y'all know how I like to, let me draw it out for you. Give me a second. Y'all know how I feel about them headless horsemen. Okay, godly. Okay. I see it. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and draw it. Let's see. I don't even know how the heck to draw it on this phone. It says tap to finish up. Let's see. Okay. And then it went there, but this is supposed to be blue, so let's go ahead and change that color actually to blue. And then I'm gonna do another one from, why did it stay there? Okay. I don't know why it's hinging from this. Okay. We'll figure it out, okay? And then after that, we have another downward going right here. Oops. Okay. All right. Okay. So looking at this is clearly an LLH, lower lows and lower highs. Oh, low. Well, it looked like it went up to create a, oh, it didn't drop there yet. Well, let me see. Where are we looking right now? That's where things currently are. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, see any more patterns maybe. Now, keep in mind we are at the 1 hour. So this is like over the course of maybe the last 24 hours that I just pinpointed. Okay. I'm gonna come and look over here. This is clearly, I was gonna say it was clearly a Trojan horse. This is clearly a this is clearly a headless horseman. So yeah, that's that. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the 15-minute variable. Okay, let's go ahead and move this a little better. Okay. This feels like a hot ass mess. I'm not even gonna hold you. But she's dropping. It don't look like she's picking up anytime soon, honestly. So yeah. Why is it okay? Am I tripping? Fuck it, we gonna figure this out together. Okay, clearly things are dropping here. I don't even think I want to touch Bitcoin today. But we here. We already, I mean, look at this. This is going nowhere but down. And the next 15 minutes just closed. Do we think that this is going to go down? I don't know. It looks like it want to go up. But hey, they do say small numbers lie. But it looks like these big ones right now are telling a different story, okay? So clearly, it's on a downtrend, okay? I'm not seeing it do anything else but continue go down. Based off of the news, it dropped under 100. I don't think it's gonna go too far away from 100. I feel like sellers and buyers will likely try to keep this held like around 99. I don't think it's gonna drop past 99. Okay, this is clearly dropping. Like there's no indication of, oh, look at the 5-minute one. Okay, so it's clearly in a down, like clearly like lower lows and lower highs, right? It's clearly going down. There is some green in here though. It kicks up a little bit. Honestly, those aren't enough for me. Look at how steep. Okay, let's look at the candlesticks. Let's look at the you know what? I kind of like the fact that I'm on the phone because I could zoom in and show y'all the candle. Look at this candlestick. Look at this candle. Look at these 3 candlesticks, okay? Clearly afraid to go high, okay? Y'all know what I haven't made yet? My support line. That's because I'm confused a little bit. I'm looking at this like, can I even really put a support line? I mean, it's clearly going to keep going down, right? Like every 2 it drops. This is the 5-minute one though, so keep that in mind. This is 5 minutes. In this 5 minutes, we have a repeat pattern, okay? It tries. Buyers try to push. Buyers ain't pushing shit. Okay? Buyers ain't pushing. But it's also trying to drop here. You see that? It tried to drop. Or we might let this 5 close out first, okay? We might let this 5 close out first. Because this is something. This is something. Buyers are trying. I mean, buyers are trying. So we're going to go ahead and let the next 2 minutes pass. But no, we're not. We're going to go to the 1 minute. Okay. So looking at the 1 minute mark, I can probably create a support line from the 1 minute. I usually try to do it earlier so I can catch it on the 1 minute, but I'm not really seeing anything to catch it with. I'm not gonna lie, maybe I am out of whack. I don't know. Okay. She's clearly going down. God damn. She might not drop down there. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I got this. Okay. First, of course. I'm actually trying to go horizontal. Let me see this. I should probably use a zone for this instead of an actual line, but it's fine. Oh, I really wish my computer was working right now. Okay, we're gonna draw that out a little bit, okay? Because look at how low that one came. And it looks like it's afraid to go that low again. So if I'm looking for real, just based off of the bottom of my candle wicks, it kind of looks like it's trying to start an uptrend. I don't think it's gonna hold though. because looking at this really big one, it's afraid to go down. It is. She's afraid to go down. Or at least she was. So I said at least she was. Now if that hits this line, let me see if I could do something. So if this candlestick hits this line, I'm gonna enter. Well, I'm not gonna say if this candlestick, because in 10 seconds it's probably not gonna go that down deep, considering the fact that it's scared to go. Even though it passed this one, the candlestick did. We're gonna see where the next couple of candlesticks go. But if they surpass this line right here, we're off. Okay, so let's see what this next candlestick does. I'm pretty sure it's gonna push past this. I just want to see, because there it goes. There it fucking goes. There it goes. Okay, so it pushed past that line. I want it to close past that line, not just to push. Look, it's almost hit that line down there too. I don't want it to just push past that line. I kind of want it to close past that line. And then we're going to go ahead and open a short stop. I mean, a short position. I said a short stop. Yeah, this is clearly going down. I mean, that was a really big one. I'm going to go ahead and place mine right here. I'm not expecting it to come back up, so I'm going to close that as short as possible. If it does come back up, I'm going to make it just above that line. Okay, but I'm not going to lie to you. I want this ratio to be really high. It's going to close below it. And if you're seeing this, it's the third headless horseman. So yeah, it's the third headless horseman. I'm not seeing this come back up right now. Not right now. Now remember, I think that it's only going to drop down to 990. If it drops lower than that, okay, boom, I just made that. That would have closed there. That would have closed there. Okay, so this would have closed here. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right. So yeah, and it's perfect. It closed right where I needed it to, because y'all see it came back up. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio would have been 10 to 0.45. Alrighty. I should have probably spent that last week doing the fucking math. I literally stopped everything. Okay, I'll figure out the math and everything so I can give y'all a dollar amount the next time we come over here and practice. But just wanted to walk y'all through my thought process. Not gonna lie, I think it was a smart thing to hold off that entire week, because looking at this, I mean, that was really quick. I went in and out in the matter of seconds. So yeah, I feel like the setting up process and the waiting for the right time is the more, like, if that makes any sense, like, is what's more is what most of this is for real. So yep, that's all I have for y'all today. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this, wrap this up, and hopefully get this going. I clearly caught it at the right time. So yeah, but that's all I have for y'all. I hope y'all really enjoy this. I will go do the math right now to figure out this math. Since this is paper trading that I'm doing, I'm gonna start with 100K, since that's where all the paper trading platforms start with, 100K apparently. And I'll try to figure out the math, try to implement the math onto here and everything, or figure all that out. But I hope you enjoyed. This is 10 times the profit, so if you put in $20, you get in 200. Okay, it's a 10-time profit. All right, that's all I have. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. I know I just said goodbye to y'all. Let me refresh this page. I know. Am I not logged in? Okay, I know I just said goodbye to y'all. Okay, I know I just did. Okay, we're back though. I'm adding this to this video because I don't feel like I did enough over here. It sounds weird, but I don't think I did enough. Why did it disappear? Am I tripping? Okay, well, I could have sworn I did some work over here. It took off the work that I did, apparently. I don't know where it went. It's been like 3 fucking minutes since I was just over here. Okay. Screw it. It's not here anymore. It's okay though. So I just wanted to look at the market a little bit. So I'm also a beginner trader. Like I said, it didn't feel like it was gonna go past 990, like I said earlier, and it didn't. In fact, it bounced right back up and went up $500. Okay, it went up 500. Okay, I was over here literally minutes ago. So yeah, okay. I think this is where I was. Because I hit this one. And then y'all saw it earlier. It's not on here now. Y'all just saw the page refresh. But anyway, yeah. I wanted to come over here and show y'all something though. How I'm noticing things. So I'm not good when it comes to terms, and I'm also a new beginner, so we're gonna work on that, okay? We're gonna learn some terms. But I wanted to show y'all something, okay? I wanted to show y'all why my thought process is the way my thought process is, okay? So, for instance, when I get here, I'm looking at the candle in its entirety, not just the candle wick, not just the candlestick. I'm looking at the candle in its entirety. What I'm seeing here is this like Thor hammer, like a reverse Thor hammer or some shit like that. It's telling me that it's afraid to come down. But before that, it was coming down, right? And there's no top wick to indicate that it wants to go up either. But there's a lot of leeway saying that it wants to come down. So that's what made me say, hey, this is likely going to come down. Now, because even though it did come down, the next candle, let me get this. So even though I was right in that, you see this next candle was red, I'm just walking out through my thought process because I don't do it enough. I didn't do it earlier. I didn't do it enough. So since that was the case and this was red, I looked at this next candle. This next candle don't have any wicks on it, which lets me know it's going to stay in the direction that it's currently in, which is why I was comfortable enough to set up right here to get this dropped down. Okay, y'all saw once it closed behind that, it immediately turned green, right? Now, I also noticed that this was a headless horseman, right? Whether there's wicks or not, that's a headless horseman. And they're nice and long. They're almost one longer than the other. One longer than the one before it, right? They typically come in 3s. They can come in 4s and 5s, but they typically come in 3s. On top of that, if I'm not mistaken, is this the right point of entry that I'm talking about? Oh, you know what? This is not even the right point of entry. I'm sorry. Is it? I don't fucking know. I can't tell because it's not here. Because that drops heavily. Okay, yep, it is, right? I'm looking at the wrong one. I was looking at down here. Okay, it was over here. No, it wasn't. It's right here. It's right here. Because this is the one I went past this. It went past that part out. It went past right here, okay? It went past right here. So that showed me that was the longest wick that, and it was afraid of it because y'all see it came to these types of highs, right? It came to these highs. So that's where I was like, okay. Once this dropped below, like right there, I knew to start that because I knew that it wasn't all the way past this. It wasn't all the way past this yet, but it closed where it was close enough to where I felt comfortable opening a short position to get that, but knew better than to let it drop too far down because I opened it on the 3rd headless horseman. I knew that it's a very likely possibility that would turn green and go up. So yeah, I just wanted to take y'all through this thought process and show y'all that, okay? But I hope y'all enjoyed this once again. Didn't mean to pop back in, but now I'm popping back out. All right. And hopefully I get better at. Oh, now this is the voiceover recording. Listen, what was I thinking? I didn't even see it. A little bit. There's a bullish pendant there. There's a bullish pendant that I didn't see, guys. And it took me until this much editing to find it. Though I'm learning, I'm a student, I'm also kind of teaching too, my learning process. Also just wanted to pop in and say that the bullish hen, the way that it ended, also followed that indication that it was going down. Okay, so there was a few different ways that I noticed that was going to go down. Just so happened I didn't see the bullish hen one, but yeah, it's there. So I should probably get better at that. But that's all I have for y'all. All right, bye.